Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world, but first, let's take a look at the headlines. Fed's Brainard sees case for digital assets amid crypto turmoil. Huobi acquires Latin American crypto exchange Bitex. Top Latin American crypto exchange Bitso lays off 80 employees. Ex-Gaana CEO's NFT music platform FanTiger raises $5.5 million. India climbs to number 1 spot in play-to-earn gaming adoption. Cryptocurrencies tumble as investors turn selective on risk assets. Former Binance executives create $100 million fund for crypto adoption. Indian Advertisement's regulatory body detects 29 violations. Creating an official digital version of the US dollar could help ensure financial system stability as crypto assets and digital currencies developed by other countries become increasingly popular, Federal Reserve Vice Chairman Brainard said on Wednesday. Brainard has been the central bank's most outspoken advocate for experimenting with government-issued cryptocurrencies. Brainard said that physical cash provides the public with access to safe central bank money that is free from the risk that the Federal Reserve will go bankrupt, unlike private digital currencies like Terra. A central bank digital currency could work much like the most bank-issued digital money Americans use today, with some key differences. Chinese crypto exchange Huobi acquired Latin American crypto exchange Bitex to expand its presence in the region, Huobi said on Thursday. Huobi plans to integrate Bitex exchange platform with its global platform, the company said in a statement. Bitex will continue operating under its current name and management team in Latin America. Founded in 2014, Bitex operates in Argentina, Chile, Paraguay, and Uruguay, serving individuals, high net worth clients, and corporate customers. It is about to launch operations in Peru and plans to expand soon to other undisclosed Latin American countries. Latin American crypto exchange Bitso laid off 80 employees on Thursday. Bitso, which had more than 700 employees before the layoff, still lists more than 60 open positions on its jobs page. In its statement, the company mentioned the need to rethink the skills it needs from employees to move faster in the crypto industry as reasons for the cutbacks. It did not mention any difficulties in raising capital. Bitso's layoffs come 2 days after the Argentina-based crypto exchange BeyondBit laid off 45% of its staff, or roughly 80 employees, due to the global overhaul the tech industry has entered, according to its CEO, Federico Og. Bitso has more than 4 million users in Mexico, Argentina, Colombia, and Brazil. Bitso's latest investment round was in May 2021 when it raised $250 million at a valuation of $2.2 billion, making it the first Latin American crypto unicorn. Artist First Technology Inc., which runs a music NFT marketplace, FanTiger, said it has raised $5.5 million in a seed round led by Multicoin Capital. The round also saw participation from Krafton, Peravega Ventures, Gamma, Woodstock Fund, IOSG Ventures, Polygon Studios, and individuals Sandeep Nelwal, Gokul Rajaram, Prashant Malik, and Miten Sampath. Founded by Prashant Agarwal, ex-CEO of Ghana and co-founder of PropTiger, and Krishna Singh, FanTiger empowers independent artists to build fan communities on the platform and enable fans to help shape their career using music NFTs. Artists can use the proceeds from the sale of music NFTs for song creation, studio production, music video, and also can commit up to a certain percentage of the royalty earned from the song to the fan community for marketing the song. India climbed to the top spot in play-to-earn gaming with as many as 34% of participants belonging to the world's second most populous country, new survey results showed. According to Finder's NFT gaming adoption report, Hong Kong with 29% share and the UAE with 27% share closely followed among the top countries with craze for P2E games. Finder's survey showed that P2E is on the rise globally, with adoption set to grow 10% on average as new gamers have a number of platforms to choose from, each with different mechanics. While some are free to play, others like Axie Infinity require an initial investment. At the other end of the table, Sweden has only 4% of surveys saying they dabbled in NFT games. France also has low uptake so far. Cryptocurrencies sank deeper into the red Friday as investors turned selective in adding speculative assets to their portfolio amid rising funding costs after Federal Reserve hiked interest rates. Bitcoin slipped below $29,000. US stocks extended their rebound from the lowest levels in over a year Thursday as solid outlook from retailers bolstered confidence in the economy despite supply chain snags and inflationary pressures. However, stock futures tied to Dow Jones, S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq index pointed to lower opening of shares on Friday. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, a gauge of investors' sentiments for crypto, continued to languish in the extreme fear category with the reading unchanged from a day before at 12 points. Investors will closely eye the US Core PCE Price Index, personal income and spending, wholesale inventories, University of Michigan consumer sentiment due later today. In China, President Jinping said that the country's economy was doing worse in some ways than during the earlier stage of the COVID pandemic. A government lockdown has slowed China's growth and boosted unemployment rates. Bitcoin was recently trading at $29,000, down over 2% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,700, down nearly 10% in a similar time span on concerns over stability of its merge as part of the changeover to proof of stake from proof of work. Other major altcoins dropped too. Former executives of cryptocurrency exchange Binance have created a $100 million venture fund with a focus on the Metaverse and bringing greater crypto adoption to emerging markets. The fund, whose name was inspired by the old-fashioned cocktail according to the fund's website, has already invested in over 50 blockchain projects. These include blockchain analytics platform Nansen, trading platform Woo Network, and African gaming community Metaverse Magna. Despite the troubling conditions that have set in the crypto markets in recent weeks and months, venture capital does not appear to have been overly spooked. This week, Andreessen Horowitz formed its fourth fund to invest in crypto companies worth $4.5 billion, more than double the size of its third round raised nearly a year ago. As many as 29 advertisements have violated guidelines laid down by Advertising Standards Council of India on virtual digital currencies advertisements. The guidelines came into effect on April 1st. The violations have mostly come from influencers on social media who have failed to mention that the promotions were paid endorsements. Recently, the Securities and Exchange Board of India proposed a ban on celebrities endorsing virtual digital assets after celebrities such as Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan, Ranveer Singh and Yuvraj Singh were seen endorsing crypto wallets and exchanges such as CoinDCX, CoinSwitch. The guidelines laid down by ASCI detailed that the advertisements should mention the cryptocurrency is a highly risky instrument. Companies, brands, and influencers were strictly instructed to not mention the words currency or securities in the advertisements. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.